So in today's autopsy video, we take this unique looking time machine and strip it down and see what's wrong with it, if anything, and can we get it to work. But I picked this up in a job lot of 6 computers. I have no idea whether it works. I'm suspecting not. So, what have we got in here? So, a global wind fan, is that focus? I don't know whether someone's put that on the wrong way round or some weird kind of nut and bolt system. Oh yes, that definitely looks homemade. Oh yeah! Oh, look at that design! Look at that bad. Look. As you pull the cage out, it pushes on the caps. That's a good design. Could wiggle it past that to clear it, or I think we should take the motherboard out first. No. Right, you back there. Right. Oh, and now we've got the round slots in the way. I'm sure one of you have got better eyes than I have. So if you see anything I should take note of. So we've got 2002 517. Those caps have definitely seen better days. Snap that boy. I don't like it when they put power supply connectors in the middle of the board. BIOS chip dated 1999. These jumpers we were talking about. What have we got? Control the audio. Can't see anywhere it says what it does then. Maybe somewhere else. They don't look too bad, those cats. More quality control. It says it's okay, so that's good to know. We've got a random 1 dot sticker. USB headers. Anyone want to take some bets on the voltage we're going to get on this battery? That cap is it's got a wee bulge to it. That's the front panel header. Think that's bulging? Yeah. I'm not super good at doing recapping. I'm not entirely sure whether this is the board I want to be practicing on. No, we've got nothing coming off from the screen yet, but then that's not a surprise. Because we've got no RAM. No fire either. So. Which really connects black and white. So let's turn it off. So, you going to go off? The old-fashioned way. Right. Where did the speaker go? There. Right, we found some RAM. Would you believe me when I said that the first piece of RAM I picked up fitted? But will it work? Power on. No weird fires as yet. Display's not firing up. CPU cooler's warm now, which is a good sign. Aha, hang on, we haven't got a CPU fan connected. Right, so CPU fan, questionable RAM module. Would it need anything else? Maybe a new CMOS battery. Oh, got the power of that. Although the power supply's not making a noise. Right, we're still in energy save mode. So it's still connected. That's one thing I learnt is if it comes up with the not connected symbol flying around, is it going to come up? There you go. If it comes up with that, it shows that there's a problem with the lead, and if you plug it in and it disappears and goes into energy standby mode, it means that the monitor has detected that it's been connected, so that can be helpful in fault finding sometimes. Right, let's try another bit of RAM. It would help a lot more if that speaker peaked. What size of stick is this? 256. I suspect it's the board. I mean, we've got no speaker beeping. Which is a shame. I was looking forward to something. Oh, no, there we go. Ah, American Megatrend. Oh, alright, Christ. Alright, it won't shut up now. Jesus. Right, let's move. Let's look. We have got American Megatrends, 2nd of the 6th, 2002. AMD Athlon processor, 1100 megahertz. It doesn't have a keyboard, which I know about, because I didn't expect it to work. Right, let's get a keyboard. I'll be back in a second. Aha, we into... Yeah, look at that. Nothing installed. What was the date on there? Got a nice amount of functions. Is there a delay? Just wonder if there's a startup delay. RTC alarm. No. Keyboard power on function disabled. Land ring power on. Power management's on. Plug and play. PCI. Features setup. CPU speed. AMD K7 Athlon XP. CPU temperature 64, but then we've got only gravity as thermal compound. System temperature 23. Battery voltage 3.2, but that's okay because it's a new battery. Standby 5 volts 4.8. Negative 12 is a bit over the place, but it's around negative 12. Standby 3 is 3.2. 12 volt rail is almost bang on. It's not even fluctuating. VCC is 4.9, hasn't moved. VCC 3 is 3.3, hasn't moved. VCC 25, I assume that's 2.5. It's 2.4 reading. And VCore 1.7. I don't want to change the buzzword. Only because I don't know the buzzword. Should we go with optimized settings? Or performance settings? Let's go performance. Let's load those performance bad boys. Loaded, done. Right. F10, yes. Is she going to come back on again? I say it takes a long time to count up and post. I assume it's counting the memory. But then with all those blown caps, I'm surprised it's even working at all, to be honest. So. Obviously I know I need to do those caps. But she posted, she's on, she's running. I'm still alive, so I'd count that as a good show for the time machine. So, next job, recap, clean the case, put her back together. Alright, before we go, I nearly forgot to play the DVD drive lottery. What do we reckon? Drive number 1. Oh, no, stuck. Drive number 2. Damn it. Drive number 1. You need to give us a CD. God damn you. It's making us wait.